How to buy NFT art as a beginner. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how you can buy NFT art as a complete beginner on OpenSea. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is simply come to OpenSea.io and you will land on this platform right here. OpenSea is world's first and largest NFT marketplace where we can find NFT in every category, and we can actually find all of the top collections such as CryptoPunks, Mutant API, Boyd APIs, then we have Clone X Togashi Murakami, then we have Cool Cats. Any collection can be found on OpenSea, and OpenSea I think is one of the leading platforms when it comes to buying your first NFT or selling your first NFT. So I will show you how you can actually buy NFT on OpenSea, what are some different ways you can do that, and how you actually kind of like do that. So let's start with the process. First of all, in order to buy NFTs, you will require a crypto wallet. What is a crypto wallet? Well, a crypto wallet is any of your digital wallet where you have your blockchain. So you can actually go for any wallet, but I would suggest MetaMask is very easy to get. You can simply go ahead and go to metamask.io on Google, and you can simply add it as your Google extension, as your Chrome extension, and it's super easy to get. So what you have to do is simply have a MetaMask wallet or any other wallet if you prefer, but MetaMask is super easy to get. Once you have your wallet, you will see right here, this will be your currency right here. This is like 0 Ethereum right now. You can actually change different mainnets as well, and you can go for Polygon. You can buy and send and swap your currencies right here. So this is the crypto wallet that you will require in order to buy NFTs. The next step is going to be connecting our MetaMask to our OpenSea in order to buy the NFTs, because we will need funds. Simply add funds to your MetaMask wallet and simply connect it to your OpenSea. To connect it to your OpenSea, you will see this option right here, which is kind of like a wallet. Simply click on wallet and you will see my wallet option. In here you will find MetaMask, which is the most popular option. Click on MetaMask and it will be connected to your OpenSea. Now we're good to go. Let's check out some NFTs and let me show you how we actually find NFTs on OpenSea. So we have Explore option. In Explore, we can find all NFTs, where I will be able to kind of like get a view of all the NFTs available from all the categories. It's like an open marketplace, right? So it will have all the NFTs. Then we have Art, where I will be able to find the art NFTs. Similarly, we have collectibles, domain names, music, photography, sports, trading cards, utility, and virtual worlds. And then we have stats as well. In stats and in ranking, I will be able to find all the top NFT collections as I mentioned. So you can also go ahead and check them out through rankings. So in top NFTs, I will be able to find all of the top collections. For example, we have the famous collections right here. You might have heard about them. All the famous ones, the CryptoPunk, and then we have Killer GF now, the Sandbox, Cool Cats. If I want to open any of these, and if you're looking for NFTs to buy from a top collection, you simply click on the collections. Let's just check out Cool Cats right here. I will simply click on this one and it will open up the collection of Cool Cats. So this is Cool Cat, and if I want to buy any of these NFTs, I can actually check out their floor price, and I will be able to check out the price right here. Like this one is for 0.03, this one is 1. Then these are actually very expensive because it's one of the top collections, right? So it is actually 15 Ethereum. These all are like 15. Then the price eventually increases from top to bottom. On OpenSea, you can go ahead and filter your search, like recently listed, recently created, recently sold, from low to high, from high to low. So I actually keep it low to high because these are actually out of my budget right now, because they're starting from the lowest ones are 15 Ethereum, and we know the floor price is actually 15. So the lowest ones are 15, and if we go down, these actually increase to up to 80 Ethereum and to 70 Ethereum. That is actually way too much. So if you want to buy any of these, or if you want to kind of like go for an open marketplace, so you simply go to Explore and all NFTs, and here I will be able to find very cheap NFTs and very good NFT art right here on OpenSea. You can minting NFTs on OpenSea is actually really easy, and it's an open marketplace for all the creators to kind of like mint their NFTs. So we find different NFTs, and these are actually not that expensive. This one is like 0.12 ETH, this one is 0.12 ETH, and the graphic designing is actually pretty good. So I will be able to find like NFTs from all the collections. So you kind of like search and you check out different NFTs, and the one you like, you open it up. So let's just say that I like any NFT and I want to buy it. So I will simply open it up. Okay, let's check out this one. This one is like 0.05 Ethereum. It's not that expensive and the artwork actually looks pretty amazing. So let's just say I want to buy this NFT right here. I like this NFT. I want to check it out. So I will simply click on the NFT and OpenSea will open it up for me. So my NFT has been opened for me. So this is the look you get on OpenSea when you want to buy any NFT. This is how we check out. So I will simply, I can scroll down and I will be able to check out the NFTs from this collection. And you can see the price range is actually pretty reasonable. And this is the artwork from this NFT collection, which looks pretty cool, right? So this one is actually cool as well. So this is the name of the collection. This is the name of the creator. We have the name of the NFT. So you can see right here, this is the price 0.05 Ethereum, which is $124. So now I have two options: to buy now or to make an offer. So let's just say I want to make an offer. So you simply click right here, make offer. Then you simply select which token you want to go for and simply you add your price. So the price for this one is, they're saying 0.05 Ethereum. Let's just say I kind of like want to buy it for 0.03 Ethereum or maybe 0.04 Ethereum, which is going to be like around about $100, and I want to buy this one for this price. So I will simply make an offer. And why I can make an offer for less pricing, because you can see right here, these are the different offers that have been made. So this is like 0.05. So right now, if they do not get any other offers and if my offer is like 0.04, they might sell it to me if they're not getting more offers. Or if I make an offer of 0.06, then I don't think anybody will top that, so they will simply sell it to me. Or I can just go ahead and buy it right now, paying them right now and on their price, right, which is this one. So I will simply click on buy now. Once we click on buy now, then it opens up the checkout section for us for our OpenSea. So this is actually pretty amazing that for the buyers on OpenSea, you don't have to pay the gas fee, and the gas fee the seller also pays just for the first time fee that they have to pay. So this is actually pretty amazing option we get on OpenSea. So this is the subtotal of what I have to pay. This is going to be 124, and now I will simply click on by checking this box. I agree to OpenSea's terms of policies. So now, if you have funds in your wallet, you will simply confirm checkout, and then the confirmation will be made. This will be your NFT. It will be sold to you. If you do not have funds in your wallet, you will simply click on add funds, and it will open up your wallet for you, where you simply go ahead and exchange your currency. You add funds to your wallet, and after that you simply go ahead and check out, and you simply buy any NFT. So buying NFT is super easy on OpenSea. You just find the NFT, and after that you can simply go ahead and buy it. When we talk about the top collections, again, if you have funds of you are willing to buy a good NFT like from top collection, you can just go ahead and buy this one. This one is going to be for 15 Ethereum. So this is actually too much. The pricing is really high. Sometimes for very top collections, the NFTs are being sold for 100 Ethereum, and this is too much. Like 15 Ethereum is right now, at the time of making this video, is $37,000. So this is actually pretty high. So when it comes to OpenSea, we will be able to find the best NFTs out there, and we will be able to buy these NFTs very easily with OpenSea.io. Simply connect your wallet, and after that, start exploring, find the right NFT. Once you have the right NFT, after that, you can simply go ahead and buy it. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to buy NFT on OpenSea as a complete beginner. If I was a help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.